Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill's Lazy Pizza Day. Today we're gonna make lazy pizza balls. And it is fitting because it's almost Christmas. And you know, I'm lazy, so I'm gonna use bread this time. And we're gonna cut out some balls. And we will go on and decorate them. But first, let's cut out some balls. And I think I'm gonna make 5 of them. And if you think I'm gonna throw away the trimmings, then you're wrong. I'm gonna make some French breadsticks with it, with some cinnamon and some sugar, but now the balls. First one that I'm gonna make is with some pesto, and it's really delicious. It has some garlic in it and some herbs, you know, pesto. For the others, I'm gonna use some Masrcapone tomato sauce. And you can buy them here locally. They're really delicious. I'm gonna use some bacon. Bacon and cheese. Delicious. And you can put different things on it, but I like bacon and cheese. I'm also gonna use some yellow bell peppers. I think that's really colorful. They're Christmas balls, so let's make them colorful. On the pesto one, I'm gonna use some turkey chunks. That's really good. And some red bell peppers. I really like those colors. They're festive. And some green bell peppers. Now the cheese. You know I like Tex Mex cheese. It's cheddar, Gouda, chili cheese. Really delicious. Now they're ready, and they will go in for about 10 minutes or so. Now let's do this. Now they're ready. Look at that. Little lazy pizza balls. And you can do so much different things with it, but I like what I made. So they're super delicious. The turkey one with some red bell peppers and cheese, and the bacon and mascarpone cheese one. Delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you give this video a like. That will help me a lot. Share it if you like. And as always, see you next time. And if you're new, then I hope you subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill.